Hey, I'm Nico with Blue Demon. Let's get it. Hi everyone, I'm Nico, here at the Blue Demon headquarters. Today we're going to talk about E309-16. The AWS designation of -16 defines the rod as having a potassium coating to stabilize the arc while being welded in AC or DCEP. E309-16 is an all-position electrode, flat, vertical, horizontal, and overhead. Common uses for E309 are stainless steel, structural, and fabrication. E309 is ideal for joining stainless steels to themselves or to carbon and low alloy steels. Here at Blue Demon, E309-16 is available in 1 and 5 pound assortments. Today we're going to be using a Blue Demon prototype welding machine. We're going to use a E309L-16 in 3/32, so we'll set the machine to 80 amps and the stinger set to DCEP. Hey, thanks for watching. Check out BlueDemonWelding.com to find a Blue Demon dealer near you. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll get back to you ASAP.